Here's how to resize any video for shorts or for long form videos on CapCut. So I'm currently using the desktop version of CapCut. Now this would apply to the mobile version also. It's a little bit simpler and it's the same process, same steps you can do. So go ahead and import a video. Let's say I want to import this screen recording right here. I import the recording and then you're going to drag this here first. And then on the bottom you see like a ratio setting. So this is set to 16:9. You can put it on the original. This is the original size of it. And then there's different customizations. So you can do 16:9, 4:3, or 9:16, which is the shorts version, which is like the short form. Click on that, and then your video will be resized to it. So you can stretch these out to fill in the blank, and then you can resize your video. And you can also customize different sizes. So let's say I want the resolution to be custom, and then the aspect ratio to be 9:17. You can also do that.